Hi, this is Mohammad Shahidul Kadir. I'm a PhD candidate from Consumer and Design Sciences under the College of Human Sciences. I'm going to present my poster. The title of my poster is What Functions on Medicare Plan Finder Do Older Adults Use for Plan Decisions? Every year, millions of older adults enroll in a Medicare drug plan, the only avenue for them to make an informed selection of insurance plan. And they do this either alone or with a counselor assistance on Medicare.gov. MPF stands for Medicare Plan Finder, a decision support tool on Medicare.gov, which advises functions to help older users simplify their plan selection. But many users may be unaware of MPF functions, either they cannot locate them or have less desire to voluntarily use them. The combination of these things create a very complex situation in decision making, especially for many older adults who battle with age-related cognitive barriers. Existing literature offers little or no knowledge on older adults' utilization of MPF functions and a better human-computer interaction. Therefore, MPF beneficiaries function users' experiences and their informed decision making needs to be analyzed. In terms of the method, as you can see in the sample collection in the phase one, we conducted an observational study of 29 participants during the open enrollment period of Medicare in 2019. Participants who agreed to volunteer for the study arrived at the research facility and completed the informed consent and a three-session questionnaire. Then each participant was randomly paired with a trained Medicare counselor who was either a pharmacy faculty or a student. Following these, participants performed the Medicare Per D plan selection task on MPF, integrating a think aloud approach whereby they were encouraged to ask questions to counselor needed for the task. In the post session, following the task, participants completed a questionnaire which asked several decisional and experience related questions. Besides, counselors completed an observational protocol after each session. Four types of data were collected from this observational study, including the touchscreen videos, conversation, questionnaire completed by counselor and participants. We used two software for analyzing the qualitative and quantitative data. Now have a look on the results section. So we have two research questions. First research question was, what MBA functions do older adults use during our Medicare plan selection? In this regard, the current study identified 12 MPF functions on four different MPF web pages: audio, video data, and post-session questionnaire. Reveal the five major themes of MPF functions that frequently used by participants while choosing a prescription drug plan. However, participant self-moment behavior analysis revealed that plan details, add to compare, compare plans, sort plans, and filter plans are the few functions that participants use deliberately before any meaningful interaction with a counselor. The second research question asked about the impact of counseling session on MPF function uses. The triangulation of four types of data suggested that counselor intervention influenced participants' MPF function uses during plan selections. Participants' voluntary use of MPF functions were very rare during the self moment. However, the contrast in function uses before and after counselor intervention was illustrated through this graph. As we can see, the counselor assistance, the use of sort plans, filter plans, and star rating were significantly increased. In conclusion, our findings served to the methodological approach, provided a comprehensive view of the MPF functions, which is seemingly ignored by the concurrent Medicare literature. Eventually, these findings illustrate the need for an intelligent agent system that can supplement uh, the human agents.